Do you know the sign for house? That's a house, yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Do you know the sign for shoes? Those are shoes. Show me the sign for shoes. Good job. Really? Can you show me the sign for thirsty? Good job. How about banana? Good job. You're so smart. Yes, you are. Really? That is crackers. Do you know the sign for cheese? Can you say cheese? Good job. How about sandwich? Good job. How about sleep? Good job. Let's see. What other signs do you know? You want to show me some other signs? Here's a sign for eat. Yeah. How about drink? The sign for drink? You know drink. You know the sign for drink? Whoa. Do you remember what also means? Also? Also is bear. Also is bear. Yeah. Did you hear that? Also is the sign for bear, or is Spanish for bear. Can you show me bear? Also. Yeah. Can you show me the sign for butterfly? And do you know what butterfly is in Spanish? It's mariposa.
Oh.
Yeah.
How are you?
Uh-huh. And the sign for kitty? Do you know Kika? Kika?
Kika.
Yeah. It's gato. Gato. Do you know dog? Yeah, doggy. In Spanish, it's perro. Perro. It's a doggy. Yeah, good job. Perro. What? Yeah? Whoa, where are you going?